Whoa, 30,000. Why does Fitbit have any more? Well, there's a fun little way to cheat, and I'll show you how. Right here on this app, Health Sync, it's synchronizing all the steps from Samsung over to Fitbit. Voila, pretty cool, right? This Health Sync app only costs you about $2, and it's available in the Google App Store, and it just runs automatically in the background. So every time I synchronize Samsung, it pushes all my steps through the Health Sync app. Oh, we just hit midnight. And over to Fitbit. So now if I look at yesterday's stats, oh, even better, 39,000. But if I go to Samsung, trends, yesterday, 21,000. So quite the difference. So I don't know if that's cheating or really, really good accuracy. And if you notice, I'm using the Fitbit Alta this week. So not only is it giving all my step data from the Alta, I just finished today, but it's also calculating step data from the Samsung Mobile, which is allowed. So yeah, maybe it's cheating, maybe it's not. And again, all you do is you open up the Health Sync app, you choose the data source that you want, and you tell it where to go. I mean, it's pretty cool. Sync from, done, So I'm going to sync from Samsung Health, and where do you want it to go? Oh, I want it to go to Fitbit and Google Fit. Done. And then you choose what you want to do. So I'm actually not going to synchronize my sleep anymore, or at least not for tonight, because I'm going to wear my Fitbit to bed. But hey, that's one cool way that you can... Yeah, you can call it cheating on Fitbit, and you can flip it the other way and push your data back to Samsung. So it depends which leaderboard you really love the best. That's all for now. Let's just take a look at that difference one more time. So this was yesterday on September 7th, 21,000. Whereas Fitbit read at 39. So that's an extra 18,000 steps. Thank you, Samsung and Fitbit. And if we go to the leaderboard, all right, second place. David, whoever you are, I'm on your tail. So we'll just long press, and we'll taunt him to let him know I'm on my way. With the power of Fitbit, Samsung, and this beautiful app right here, Health Sync. They even have the cool thing where you can resync for a specific day. You can delete, you can do a whole bunch of cool stuff. You can export your health data. Anyway, well, that's PH Digital, and that's how you can synchronize your steps from one source to another. And yeah, if you want to cheat, sure, go ahead and cheat. Or maybe it's just really, really good accuracy. If you have any questions or comments, just post those below.